You can send email or text message on the HMS to your guests manually or automatically. For this feature, you can use Guest Relations under the Guest menu. In this section, there are three options which you can use: sending text messages manually, sending emails manually, and sending them automatically. You can use Send SMS and Send Email buttons for sending them manually. If you want to send these messages with the template automatically, HMS can do it instead of you if you subscribe Guest Relations module. For sending messages automatically, you need to click Detailed Edit button. In this page, there are four options which are after reservation made, before check-in, while stay, after checkout. In this page, you can edit the templates how you want to by clicking on the template name or create a new one by clicking Add New Message. On the template page, you need to select Email or Text Message option. After that, you can edit your template how you want to make. For the receivers, you can select the rules which you want to follow. When everything is ready, you need to click Save and Publish button for the Make Ready template for sending. After activating the template, HMS will send the messages automatically.